Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Get.io to Trust Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Get.io application. Once you have logged into your Get.io account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner, and after that you need to click on this withdraw button from here. Now you need to click on the on chain withdrawal from here, and from this list of cryptocurrencies in this search bar you have to simply search for USDT. Simply tap on the USDT tether. Once you land on this page, you will need to paste all your withdrawing details in order to transfer USDT from Get.io to Trust Wallet. In order to find depositing address, you just need to minimize your Get.io application and open the Trust Wallet. Now once you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that you need to click on this manage crypto button, and from here in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT. Here you can see USDT on all the different networks, USDT on Ethereum, USDT on Tron. I'm selecting USDT on Tron, and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Simply toggle this USDT on Tron and tap on this, and at the bottom you will see receive and send button. So you just need to click on this receive button, and here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. So you just need to copy this address, and after copying you need to reopen your Get.io application and paste that copy address in this address bar and select a network here same also. So you just need to select Tron network here also. After fill both of this information, after that you need to enter the amount of USDT, and once you fill all this information you just need to click on this withdraw button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Get.io to Trust Wallet, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Get.io to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.